Hey guys, it's April here. I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you how I do my pinch method for my Mega Volume fans. I'm using my Fat Foot Tweezers by Eyelash Beauty and taking a bunch and literally putting it between my index and my thumb finger. And I'm just releasing the pressure a little bit with the tweezers and opening up that fan. So I'll show you again in a moment. Also, you have to get yourselves one of these glue dot tray thingies from Lashbox LA. They're awesome. They help you with your fans. So here we go. Take another bunch in your tweezers. Find your sweet spot in your tweezers. Pull away. Those little ones didn't make it to my sweet spot. Grab your index and your thumb finger, gently release your tweezers and pinch the bottom of your fan. Done. And then you want to dip it in a little bit of glue, tap it on your glue tray to fan it out perfectly. Yeah, sometimes I need a little bit of playing with. And then hold for 1 to 2 seconds when you put it down. And again, grab a bunch. My finger is there to add the pressure. Those ones on the end didn't make my sweet spot. Try and fix it. Fan it out. Cool. Managed to fix it. Dip a bit of glue and tap it on the glue tray. Awesome. So basically you can see that the Lashbox LA Mega Volume 03s are really forgiving. If you would like to see another video, comment below. Otherwise, send me an email with your ideas. See you later.